Rotating cleaning brushes gently scrub the outer surface of each watermelon. Fresh water continuously flows over the fruit during
Advanced optical scanners examine each watermelon before cutting. High-speed cameras analyze size,
Check the flow rate on line 3.
Damn, looks good.
Looks good. Approaching the hopper. Approaching the hopper.
Industrial crushing machines begin breaking down the watermelon flesh into pulp. Powerful rotating mechanisms process large volumes.
Powerful extraction presses begin separating juice from the fruit pulp. Mechanical pressure releases large quantities of fresh watermelon.
We have a minor fluctuation on screen 3. I see it. The screens are holding steady though.
Laboratory technicians collect watermelon juice samples for detailed analysis. Modern testing equipment measures sugar content, acidity, and product quality.
we have an irregularity on the flow rate. Bypass the auxiliary tank.
Engaging thermal processing. Status is green.
The watermelon juice enters a modern pasteurization unit for safety treatment. Stainless steel
The heated watermelon juice passes through industrial cooling systems. Chilled water circulates through heat exchangers to rapidly reduce temperature. The watermelon juice bottles enter a sanitation chamber before filling. Purified water and sterile air remove dust and contaminants.
The watermelon juice bottles pass through a leak detection station. Advanced testing equipment checks the integrity.
Check the alignment on line 3 before the next run.
Already handled it. We're clear for continuous flow.
"22 pallets confirmed. Manifest matches the tablet. Are the straps secure?
Yes, driver. Everything is double-checked for transit. Seal it up.
Clear the bay. Truck 42 is pulling out.
Make sure those straps are tight before you close it up.
The journey from fresh watermelon harvest to finished juice is complete. Every stage highlights advanced technology